Very beautiful. The agua here pretty clean. We're gonna have a small video on the beach. Main city here on the beach is Puerto Vallarta, and there is two more amazing small towns around this area, 15 minutes, 20 minutes drive west. One is San Pancho, known as San Francisco, and the second one is De La Comesa. It's very nice, very trendy right now. It's full with people, packed with people all the time. Let's continue this tour. Guys, as you can see, this city never sleeps. Right now is about 9 o'clock and it's already crowded and packed with people. It's already packed with people. There are so many people here. Streets are full. No pandemic in Sayolita. All the places are full. I see a lot of I can see a lot of security. I can see a lot of police. Go back to the light. I can see a lot of security, a lot of police. Look at this, look how many people, it's full. Yeah, so I'm gonna go this way, see what we can find. What I like about this city, Sayolita, there's a lot of alleys going to the beach, so basically you can walk all over town, and every time you feel like going down the beach, you have an alley. As you can see, it's right here. You just take the alley and go all the way down. What I feel about this video, I feel that I learned how to use my camera. The previous movie I was making at night, that was my first time using a camera at night, but I'm using the auto exposure, and I need to be in front of light all the time. I wasn't taking it out. I wasn't taking that in considerations. And guys, if you want to know what kind of camera, what gear I'm using, you can see it down below. think that is the first or the second time I'm wearing t-shirt since I got to Mexico. It was so hot everywhere. San Cristobal de las Casas was the only place that was cold. Here is really nice. It's not too hot. The weather is perfect. The weather is great. I can wear this shirt, and I sweat only in my face a little bit. I'm not sweating all over my body. In Mexico, I'm so used to sweat all over my body all the time, non-stop. Only when I sleep with air condition, that's it. I'm good. But during the day, I sweat all the time. And now it's a little bit windy. It's nice. It's warm, but it's not too hot. I love it. I wish it continued like this. So guys, I'm here with Ty. Hello, say hi.
Hola.
How you doing, man?
Swell, swell.
Good.
I just got into Sayolita like 4 hours ago.
Where you came from?
I came from Miami.
Oh my God.
USA. I don't live in Miami. I was just there last.
Okay, so why Sayolita?
It seemed like a beautiful place.
Yes, it is.
I wanted to. I don't know. I wanted to be somewhere new for a little while, and I had some really good friends who got married here a couple years ago.
Nice.
And they told me that a whole lot of magic and great food and great people awaited here, so I thought I'd come try it out.
Okay.
And, first time in Mexico.
First time in Mexico.
First time in Mexico.
And straight to Sayolita.
Sí.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Where did you land? In Puerto Vallarta?
Puerto Vallarta.
How many hours flight?
From Miami, I stopped in Dallas. It was like 4 or 5 hours total.
It's quick.
It was fine.
All right, man. Where are you going?
Going to, I'm gonna be here for a while. I'm gonna be
Okay.
here for a few weeks.
Nice.
I think I'm gonna go see PV, going to go surfing, gonna try some snorkeling, gonna try some hiking. What should I try? You tell me.
You said it all.
All right then, good to know.
Okay, brother. Thank you for the warm words. It was
Yeah.
nice talking to you.
Thank
nice
you,
meeting
man.
you. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Have a beautiful day. And watch it on YouTube.
Yeah, what's your channel called?
Guys, I'm gonna end this movie with this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch this video right here and this video right here. Subscribe to my channel, support my channel so I can continue traveling, bringing you more fun stuff like this. Love you guys. Ciao. Bye bye.